Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're on our way to go look at some laundry doors. It's a nice wet day in Sydney with a little bit of the old stop-go traffic. That means you stop and then you go, and then you stop and then you go. Anyway, that'll only last for a few more minutes and then we'll be out of there. Then we're going to look at some laundry doors. So the report is that the wind has blown and locked these doors, which they never lock. Nobody has a key, so they're locked out. So it's happened on one, but it's probably going to be happening on the other three. So the whole idea behind what I'm doing today is disabling. Normally you think locksmiths are there to just install locks, but today I'm disabling locks. Go there and make them non-functionable, no good. Remove it, non-locking. So non-locking so that it's not going to cause any more troubles in the future. That's what my job is today. So anyway, let's go have a look and see what we got. Okay, so this is the laundry door. There's three of these. One on this level, one the next level, one the next level up. So, the old door closer. If you say anything like that, that's got to be 70s or 60s. Oh look, lock wood. Jeez, that's old. And it's still working, well kind of, but that's a Lockwood door closer. Leave it in the comment if you know what era that's from. Alright, so we've got a Lockwood 001 and I've opened them up and I've basically just removed the striker. I've kept the striker down the back in case they want to put it back, and it covers all the holes, so that was the easiest way. The latch itself, that's a lane latch. Look how wide that is, that's got to be 22 mil I reckon. And some old passage handles. So if they want to close the door they can, if there's wind or whatever blowing they can, but there's no way for this to lock now. This dead lock is just disabled. If they want to re-enable it, they can simply screw this back on, and that's probably the easiest way. So I've done that with level 1, 2 and 3. And the back door will be kept locked, job done. Alright now, just in the lovely little town of Burwood. As you can see, they've started building some pretty tall buildings around here. Anyway, just leaving that job now. So I found the easiest thing to do was just to remove the striker. That way at a later stage, if they want to put it back on, they can. It's only a couple of screws. That means that the lock is still on the door. It covers up all the holes, which is good. And if they want to recommission the lock at a later stage, they can as well. So cheapest thing and quickest thing, remove the strikers. And as you saw, I kept the strikers on site, because that way if anyone changes their mind, or a handyman or anything like that, then it's a simple little mission to put the strike back on with 3 screws. So I did that to all 3 levels, so now the residents won't have any troubles or any problems with getting locked out of their laundry, because it's a shared laundry in that locker unit. Each level shares one common room, where they keep their washing machine and dryers, which is, it's kind of a good idea. I mean, if you think about it, if one of those washing machines breaks a hose or something, it's all in a very serviceable area in the middle. So that communal laundry is good in that regard. But in a few other regards, I've seen where people have been stealing people's washing machines or touching their laundry powder or their washing, and people get very upset. So there is a chance in the future that, you know, they might want to reverse that and put the lock back on and give the key to all 3 people on that level. But it seems like a real nice block, so I wouldn't expect there to be any trouble. So they seem like real nice people, but as things change and tenants go in and out, it always changes. So one day it's this way and the next day it's that way. So what we came up with there of just removing the strike is probably the best solution for that situation. That way it's not making the lock redundant, but the lock is still there. They can use it at a later stage and recommission it. Anyway, that's our video on the job video for today of driving through Burwood, Sydney. Leave your comments down below, and thanks for watching.